Alright, here we are at 2142 Photinia Drive here in Tracy, California, 95376. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. Let's go check out the inside. It's beautiful. It's a nice landscaping in the front yard here. Nice neighborhood here. Owner just had the outside painted, as you can tell, the new blues and white. Also the interior of the home was painted as well, just recently. Fully remodeled home. This is the front, kind of the entertainment area. There's almost two living rooms. There's one here and there's also another one in there. So we go down this way to our left. This is a 1-bedroom here. You can see this, kind of facing the street area there. Nice and big. It's got a closet as well. New flooring, new paint, fresh paint in here. You can still smell it if you were in here. Alright, walk through here. This is the downstairs bathroom. All upgrades. This does have an electronic kind of touch on the mirror. You can turn on and off the lights. Kind of cool new technology. You got some floating shelves, and you got the toilets and the floating vanity, and a shower. Out here is the garage. Do have a 2-car garage. Nice, big, and spacious. All right. As we go back in here, we'll go through the kitchen area first, and then we'll go upstairs. Check that out. Here you got a nice spacious area. You do have a fireplace, fan. This is a kind of entertainment area. You can put the TV and all that other good stuff. Back in here we do have the beautiful remodeled kitchen, newly painted. You have this beautiful island right here. This kitchen island is so pretty. Brand new appliances, oven, stove, hood vent, fridge is coming with the unit as well, so don't forget that. Back in here we do have a cabinetry, stuff like that. Back in here is just the office, just an extra space for if you're working from home or doing anything you need to do there. You do have an office down here, which is always nice. So back through here, and here's the kitchen from another angle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Into the backyard while we're downstairs here. Here's the backyard. Got an outside grill, kitchen kind of area, patio, and then you got some palms and a beautiful big pool here in the backyard. So yeah, you can enjoy that with the kids during the summer. It's pretty nice out here. So you got the palms, you got the whole ambiance. So let's go back inside here. As we go back through the living room spaces, we do have this beautiful staircase, and then these are where all the other rooms are going to be. So let's go check out the upstairs here. As we come up here, let's wrap around this way first to the left hand side of the stairs. So here is one of the bedrooms, the first bedroom you can call it. So they got that. It does have a walk-in closet, which is nice. It's got some shelves already put up. Alright, back in here is going to be the hall bath. Pretty big hall bath. Dual sink, big mirrors, and you also have additional storage kind of here on the left-hand side. That's always nice. Right here you got the toilet and the shower and the tub all built in one. Right here, that's always nice. See the interior. Shower head, detachable shower head. Alright, back out into the hallway. There's a second bedroom upstairs here. It's big, it's got a closet as well, it's got shelves inside. I'll show you inside as well. Shelves. Alright. Back through the hallway and the stairs. This is going to be the third bedroom upstairs. Kind of very similar to the other bedrooms. This one also has a walk-in closet with shelving, as you can see there. And these fans do come with a remote usually in almost all these rooms, so you can turn those on and off. Here's the laundry room. There's washer dryer already in here. Owner is leaving those for the new tenants to utilize. You do have some additional storage, some shelves, some pantry area. It's always nice and handy, especially in the laundry room there. Look at this beautiful staircase from the top here. Spirals down. Like I said, all this was repainted just this week, and you know, they've got the new flooring and everything else in here. So here's the master bedroom right here. Look at how big this is. Pretty large. Go back down here, look at that big old space for a huge TV or projector. That'd be kind of a cool idea. As you go into the master bathroom, there are two different closets, two walk-ins. There's one, you got a bunch of space. And then back over here is the second, you got even more space. And then here's the actual master bath. You got the dual sinks with the huge mirror, getting ready in the morning. You do have the bathtub and the shower area right here as well. Nice and big. Plenty of space, and then there's the toilet as well, and it's got its own private door, which is always pretty nice. It needs a little bit of privacy there. So yeah, that is this home here, 2142 Photinia. This home is available to apply for. If you guys are interested in doing so, you can apply directly on our website, which is newbridgemanagement.com. Or you can give us a call at the office, 209-668-6700. Thanks for stopping in today, guys.